Hi everyone, Forrest here with Honey Pots Zone 5. It's spring. We've had some gorgeous days out the past couple days, but it was incredibly windy. I tried to get you guys outside with me on those days, but between the wind and my arms are not long enough that you guys could see what I was trying to talk about behind me or what I was pointing to, so it just seemed to be a bunch of gibberish. So I'll get a camera person, and that will be that. And when spring comes out, I'll probably be outside all the time. I wanted to talk to you guys today on how my sewing's going, and I've changed around this a little bit. I knew that was going to happen. It always does. Every year you've got to be flexible with gardening. I've been having some health issue lately, and there's some foods that I cannot eat that will trigger it. And also, I'm sorry about that too. I'm on like a weird medicine that makes my mouth kind of dry, and I do weird things with it. So the rhubarb's out, and I'm gonna put onions in. I've never grown onions before, not the global type. I've grown like leeks. I love leeks, but I only like leeks and onions when they're cooked. I hate them raw. Don't know why that is. That's just my little quirky thing. But so rhubarb's out. I've got onions in. Beets are out. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in the place of the beets, but I've got enough seeds that I will come up with something. And if anybody wants any rhubarb, just let me know. I've got some very healthy, very nice plants there. I also, on this, I'm removing the, I was going to put the red pots there from Firehouse Subs. They're pickle barrels. I use those for planting in. But I'm going to put the beehives there, so those are out too. And I'm going to put some pots in here in between the beds. And I'll use those for some of my viney crops, and I can grow them up. The chicken wire that goes around the outside of my garden. So what else did I change on here? Oh, I've added the dates on here, the dates that I sowed the seeds. Some things are going to be direct sowed, like beans will be direct sowed, carrots, leaf lettuce. I like to direct sow my zucchinis. They, you know, those all seem to do better when you direct sow them rather than pre-seed them. But the winter sown seeds, I've got my pepper seeds inside because they don't do well winter sowing. So that's that. And to catch you up on my calendar, I always, this is kind of like in pencil, I always write down the seeds that what day I, not that they germinate, but on the day that I go ahead and sow them. My calendar, so I'll know when they went in and to make sure that they're okay. And everything's done great as far as winter sowing goes, so I'm not too worried about that. And that's it. That's all I needed to catch up on you guys with. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Put your comments down there, and I will see you guys in the next video.